This is a question that I recently received, and I'm assuming if somebody asked me the question that you might have this question also. And this was the question: what type of injuries can you claim from a personal injury claim? Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana personal injury lawyer, and I would like to answer that question for you. So, if you are injured because of the negligence of somebody else, whether it's a car, whether it's a landowner, whether it's a doctor, you are entitled to receive compensation for your injuries. The injuries can be physical injuries. The injuries can be emotional injuries. The injuries can include lost wages or the lost ability to earn money in the future. The injuries can be, or the damages can be associated with having to repair or replace things in your home, get a wheelchair ramp, change something in the bathroom. All that information goes into the personal injury claim. The hallmark is, though, the other side has to be negligent, and your injuries and your damages have to be caused by the other person's negligence. So you have negligence, damages, and then you have that bridge, which is called causation, that the negligence caused the damages. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have a great day.